Hello guys, today we're eating Chipotle. And this is my first time trying their quesadillas. And for protein, I asked, chicken, and I added the fajita veggies, and I asked for tomato salsa and sour cream as sides. And also, we're gonna try the new item that they have in their menu, that is the new Adobo ranch. It's this one. I was so looking forward to try this new adobo ranch that I'm craving for it. So we're gonna dip our quesadilla in the adobo ranch and try. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh my gosh, guys, this is delicious. And I forgot to mention that this quesadilla also has cheese. Mmm. I see you, Chipotle. I see you. Mmm. This is delicious. Now we're gonna put a little bit of sour cream to my quesadilla. Mmm. Mm-hmm. About the tomato salsa. Mmm. Mm-hmm. The quality of the quesadilla is good, very good. Mm-hmm. Mm. And the Chipotle honey chicken is still the latest, newest protein Chipotle has for their bowls, burritos, and quesadillas. And of course, to drink, I asked for this Mandarin agua fresca. I think this is a new drink too. Mmm. Oh my gosh, this is good. Mmm. Guys, like I said before, this quesadilla was so good, with the Chipotle honey chicken. That is, the newest protein that they have in their stores. And also, summer is heating up with this new adobo ranch sauce. Highly recommended. Cheers! Bye!